What's up, guys? This is Freaks Ritual. I'm about to show you guys another flashlight review. This is the Lumintop EDC05. This is the cold white or cool white. Alright, this is your typical box. Alright, this is running a Cree XP LED. It is a 14500 light. So that means it takes a 14500 lithium battery, and it could take a AA regular battery. Alright, so let's just take a look at the light. Comes with sparrow O-rings, lanyard, bright orange. It's pretty cool, looks cool. Oh, this thing comes around the box, so that's what it will look like around the box before you open it. Alright, brings a warranty card, and it brings your user manual. Alright, if you want to look at this, good. Pause. Well, I'll read it. Alright, 2 lumens for regular AA is 171 hours. That's pretty long. That's moonlight mode. Low is 60 lumens for 11 hours. Medium is 200 lumens for 2.2 hours. High is 400 lumens for 1.2 hours. Strobe is 400, SOS is 200, and beacon is 50 lumens. Alright, with a 14500 3.7 lithium cell will be moonlight would be 10 lumens. That's pretty high. 44 hours. Low is 100 lumens for 12 hours. Medium is 320 lumens for 1.7 hours. And high is 800 lumens for 0.4 hours. And strobe is 800, SOS is 300, and beacon is 80 lumens. Alright, the max beam intensity is for regular AA is 1500 candela, and your 14500 is 2500 candela. Your max beam distance is 77 meters with a regular alkaline, and 100 meters with a 14500, 2 meters impact resistant, and IPX8 waterproof rating, so that's pretty good. It is running a XPL emitter, so let me put this back real quick. Alright, hold on 1 second. Let's take a look at the light. The clip was right there on the side, so I'll just put it on. Doesn't come on, you gotta put it on. This is how it looks. It's really nice. Oh, and it's magnetic, just so you know. So that's another plus for your mechanics. Alright, come on, focus. That's how it looks. You could clip it onto your baseball cap for hands-free or magnetic, so that's really good. That's how it looks. That's the terror cap. What the hell's going on the camera? Alright, that's how that looks. I'm using an Olight rechargeable lithium, 750 milliamp hours. Oh, stick to the battery. Alright, let me show you how the head looks. Alright. Put this back together. Alright. inch pale reflector, and it's AR coding. Alright, let me show you the user interface, and then we'll bring this outside. Alright, user interface is very easy. You just click, turn it on. Click through your modes. I think that's 800. Yes, it is. Alright. There's no bad PWM, so that's a plus. When PWM, when it's real bad, like you see how I'm shining it in low mode, the whole screen would flicker. The video would flicker, but so that's a plus. It's not flickering. Alright, so special modes, double tap. Alright, that's SOS. Click one more time, you get to your beacon. Sorry about the strobe. Oops, sorry again. Alright, you hold it for off, and then just turn it back on. But once you hold it for off again, when you hold it again, it brings it to, I think it memorizes the third mode, I think. Alright. Freaking fly. Alright. So, alright, hold it again, it brings up to, oh, it memorizes it. Alright, that's cool. So, alright, so it does memorize modes. Oh, so alright, only I think it's for a second. Alright. I think it memorized the second mode. Hold on, let me. I think I'm doing it wrong. Alright. Yeah, it does memorize. Alright, so that's cool. Yeah. Alright. Alright guys. I'm gonna take a little nice shot looking around the light. And since we're done looking at it, let's bring this bad boy outside and see what it could do. I'll be right back, guys. Alright guys, this is the Lumintop EDC05 or 05. Alright, we're gonna see some beam shot footage. Hold on one second. Here we go. Oop, didn't want to put it on high mode. Alright, this is low mode or moonlight mode. I think it's 10 lumens or something. Alright, I'm gonna bump it up. Alright. I'll bump it up again. Starting to look real good. Bump it up again. Gotta look out for coyotes. Alright. Now I'm back to low. Let me just walk down here. So for a little EDC light, this is pretty good, man. Especially you get the clip and the magnetic tail cap. Now let me put it on turbo. I think this is turbo. Yeah, that was turbo. You know what? Hold on one second. There we go. This is 800 lumens, this little EDC light. It's real good. It doesn't get real far out there because of the orange peel, but it's pretty good. Maybe the battery is dying because it was way brighter than this. Hold on one second, I'm going to pause this real quick and I'm going to change batteries just to see if it's the battery. Hold on. Hold on, guys. Just gonna pause it, but I'm just gonna keep you with me. Just in case I get eaten alive. Hold on. Let's try this again. Sorry, I got the other battery in my mouth. Hold on. Alright. Let's try this again. I think the battery was dying. Alright. Alright, that's low. Yeah, now it's way better. It's 800. Alright guys, let's show you this shot real quick and then I gotta head in. Alright guys, I'm gonna put a link in the description. I don't know if they're still doing the 40% off, but they were, so I'm gonna leave a link in the description just to see if they are. That's how much I got it for 21 something. So it's not just this light either, they're doing it with a bunch of models. Alright guys, gonna head back. Thanks for watching. Until next time, peace.